Hi there. Today our topic is about segregation of duties. Part 1. Didi. We have a dialogue between Andy, Senior Manager, and Patrick, Operations Manager. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Patrick, Jane has resigned from her role as operations supervisor and will leave us in a month's time. What is your plan?
Andy, since the company wants us to streamline the headcount, this operations supervisor's role will not be replaced. So our team will have me and 8 operations staff.
Patrick, okay. How about the work of Jane be allocated?
Most of the work of Jane is reviewing. Other than that, it is reporting. My plan is for operations staff to review their own work, while some will prepare data for me to report out.
It looks like the role of Jane is mainly on reviewing. I have an idea. The work prepared by Staff A will be reviewed by Staff B, so they're checking the work among themselves. To let them checking self-prepared work, I don't think this is appropriate. Then you are the next tier of controls. When you gather data for reporting, you will review for any abnormalities. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan, with more check and balances. Thanks, Andy, for your advice and proposal.
Andy can oversee the overall picture of operations team well, balancing controls and work. With the key persons in reviewing data leaving the team, what kind of controls that the team should adopt with sufficient segregation of duties? A basic control is, preparer and reviewer cannot be the same person, while reviewer and approver can be the same person. With this rule, what Patrick suggested, each staff will be reviewing their own work cannot be adopted. In this scenario, the element for segregation of duties is related to reviewing of work for same function. In Part 2, we will talk more in depth on segregation of duties for different functions of same department. To recap, here are the key controls. Preparer and reviewer cannot be the same person. Reviewer and approver can be the same person. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about case study retail industry. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.